Welcome back to Dr. Liu's VCE Chemistry channel. Today, we'll break down the organic compounds questions from the 2024 NHT Chemistry exam. My explanations might need refinement, so I welcome corrections or feedback from teachers, parents, or students. The flashpoints of the three unknown organic substances, X, Y, and Z, were determined, with X having the highest and Z having the lowest. Flashpoints are governed by the number and relative strength of intermolecular forces of attraction, increasing proportionally with them. Consequently, the trends for flashpoint, boiling point, and viscosity are consistent. All three properties rise as intermolecular forces of attraction increase. This compound features a 5-carbon longest continuous chain. The hydroxyl group is situated on the middle carbon, carbon number 3, which, being bonded to two other carbons, makes it a secondary alcohol. For naming purposes, the methyl group is placed on the second carbon of the main chain to achieve the lowest numbering. The condensation between methanoic acid and ethanamine produces propanamide. So, D is correct. In the presence of UV light, a chlorine atom substitutes a hydrogen atom of 2-methylbutane to produce chloroalkanes. If this substitution occurs on a primary or secondary carbon, and the resulting carbon atom becomes bonded to 4 different groups, it will be a chiral center, producing 2 optical isomers. Because propene possesses a carbon-carbon double bond, it can undergo an addition reaction with hydrochloric acid, HCl. In this process, HCl adds across the double bond, resulting in the formation of chloropropane. The carbon-chlorine bond in 1-chloropropane is polarized due to the higher electronegativity of chlorine, which imparts a partial positive charge to the carbon atom. Ammonia, having a readily available lone pair of electrons, acts as a nucleophile. This lone pair then attacks the partially positive carbon, leading to the displacement of the chlorine atom and the formation of an amine. Because the amino group of this 3-carbon molecule is attached to the first carbon, it is named 1-propanamine or propan-1-amine. The percentage atom economy is defined as the mass of the desired product, 1-propanamine, divided by the total mass of all reactants, expressed as a percentage. In this reaction, the reactants are chloropropane and ammonia. Strictly, 2 molecules of ammonia are involved, but using only 1 molecule of ammonia in the calculation is also considered acceptable. This substitution reaction involves the replacement of the chlorine atom in chloropropane by a hydroxide group from sodium hydroxide, resulting in the formation of 1-propanol. The oxidation of 1-propanol to propanoic acid can be achieved using various oxidants, including potassium dichromate, potassium permanganate, or gaseous oxygen. This redox process necessitates an acidified environment, with hydrogen ions playing a crucial role. Propyl propanoate takes its propyl portion from propanol and its propanoate portion from propanoic acid. When an alcohol and a carboxylic acid condense to form an ester, 1 molecule of water is eliminated. Comprising 4 multiple choice and 1 short answer question, this topic is weighted at 15 marks, representing 12.5% of the total 120 marks. It covers physical properties, flashpoints, boiling points, and viscosities. Nomenclature and reaction types, IUPAC naming conventions, condensation reactions, and optical isomerism. Specific reactions, the addition of hydrochloric acid to propene, the reaction of 1-chloropropane with ammonia, and the formation of propyl propanoate from 1-propanol and propanoic acid. Should you require assistance, please feel free to connect via WeChat or WhatsApp and send an email. Thank you for your attention. Kindly note the details of Dr. Liu's VCE Physics, Chemistry, and Biology channels.